Welcome to Prime Debate. The Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research in Chandigarh is a hospital of repute. Being primarily a referral hospital, it has several specialized departments for diagnosing and treating complex ailments. But of late, it has come under pressure with the number of patients increasing by the day. It has also been plagued by strikes, which has blemished its repute. In Prime Debate, we discuss what is the way forward for this premier institute. The Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research in Chandigarh, or PGI as it is known, is a premier hospital in the region, be it heart transplant or a bone marrow transplant. It provides advanced healthcare to its patients. But has it lived up to the expectations? Be it a minor surgery or a major heart operation, hundreds of people from states like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir flock the PGI daily. These patients are assured the best healthcare they want, but the PGI has been a victim of its own circumstances. The staff are overburdened by even those patients who can be treated in other medical colleges or hospitals. Being primarily a referral hospital, the PGI is bound to provide medical care to those patients who are acutely ill. The hospital premises does hold an OPD, but the rush of patients is far too much to be attended. There have been proposals that an evening OPD should be started, but will this overcome the problem? Or should the PGI be kept only as a referral hospital as it is? The debate is on. At the same time, shortage of staff has added to its woes. On the top of it, strikes by different union bodies have left the patients in lurch. The PGI is in for a new director sometime soon, and battling out these challenges won't be as easy as they seem. To discuss this issue, we have in our studios Dr. S.K. Sharma, who is the former director of the PGI, Mr. Pankaj Chandgotia, advocate, Punjab and Haryana High Court, and Dr. Virendra Singh, president of the Faculty Association of the PGI. Welcome to our studios, everybody. Dr. Singh, I'll start with you.
Okay.
PGI continues to be under the pressure of patients. Why such a situation?
See, the problem is the peripheral hospitals are not equipped. That is the major problem. If you improve the primary and the secondary health care in the district hospitals and then the medical colleges in the surroundings, then the load will be automatically taken care of.
And also hospitals who are in the rural areas.
Yeah,
right.
Because PGI is especially meant for the tertiary care, not for the primary and the secondary care. So if we strengthen the primary and the secondary centers, then I think the load will come down.
And then there has always been a shortage of faculty and non-faculty staff in PGI. It has 177 posts of doctors and 412 of paramedical staff lying vacant. Don't you think this is also, and it adds into the problem?
See, the problem has been the selection committee meetings and then the governing body meetings. Whole lot of procedure is to be done. So in this, many of the posts are likely to be filled up, maybe very soon, and then some load will be.
Is it due to lack of funds that these are not being filled up, or
there's no lack of
political interference?
Yeah, see, actually, according to the act of PGI, this has to be through the different bodies.
Yes.
So sometimes the minister is not free, sometimes the director is not able to take
be given the highest priority for these purposes.
This should be, but it is not given. That is the problem.
Then the question.
Let Dr. Sharma also answer this question, though he has been a former director of the PGI. The lack of staff, has it always been a problem there in PGI?
No, because jobs are advertised. The selection do take time, as Dr. Virendra Singh said, and maybe sometimes the non-availability of the minister or the chairman of the selection committee or some members.
Right.
And the things have to go through certain committees.
But then why to wait for the post to get vacant and then start the process?
No, it's not that. Sometimes new posts are created, and in the meantime some people retire. So all those posts, they fall vacant or new posts are created.
But
So
there would
it
be
takes-
some time frame that it should be filled within this time.
Actually, the act of the PGI says that the governing body and the should meet at least 3-4 times in a year.
Right.
That is not happening.
Right.
That's not happening.
Okay.
And the selection committee should meet at least twice
So what
a
is the
year.
gap now?
I
in the
do not
meetings?
know. I think Dr. Vinder Singh should be able to answer.
See, they have already put up the advertisement. The selections are probably made,
Okay.
and now anytime this is likely to be finalized.
Selections
during
are
your,
already interview based or written based also.
See,
Selections for the posts.
see, the selections are based on the interviews only.
Only.
There is no definite criteria. I am sorry to say.
That
There
is
is
the
no
basic problem.
objectivity
Yes.
in the selections. Let me remind you,
Yes.
in Orange Institute, something very unusual has happened. 250 faculty members appeared for the promotion, and then out of that 40 were not promoted. See, actually there is no objectivity in the promotions.
Okay.
The objectivity should be there. The faculty is busy. There is no criteria. If suppose you are in the clinical branch, you are seeing patients in and day out. Suppose a neurosurgeon is there, and you are equating that neurosurgeon with the other faculty member who is not looking after the patients.
There's
Who is-
multiplicity
who
of
is-
jobs.
Yeah,
and-
who is busy in the research only. So you have to give importance.
I believe this is
to the
established under
different
an act
areas.
of parliament.
Yeah.
All this must be well defined. Act of parliament has made.
It is not defined at all.
Then somebody has to
Okay,
take
let us
it.
ask Dr. Sharma, what is the way out if there is a shortage? I mean, what is the quick way to resolve this issue?
No, the quick ways as the act lays down, the selection committee should meet regularly, and once the selections have been made, then the governing body should meet soon after that, so that it approves the selections and the appointment orders are issued.
Okay.
Can't there be ad hoc appointments for the interim?
No, actually for faculty position, no. If you appoint someone at a lower level like assistant
But
professor,
those
yes,
posts are also vacant, I think, the
No.
lower posts.
that can be done.
So why is that?
Mr.
not-
Chamgotia, let me now ask you, because you have been asking plenty of questions since the debate has begun. Let me ask you a question. Now, consumerism is growing. Satisfying patients has become a key, task for all the health care activities. Won't you agree?
Yes, that is true.
And do you
it
think
should be
that
that
PGI
way.
is
It
meeting
should be
that
that way,
standards?
yes. Merit we look for. And I am sorry to say, again I'll use the word Hippocrates oath, which the doctors are famous for. It has become a double meaning thing. They take an oath to serve the society.
We have two doctors sitting.
Yes, that is why I am
right
saying them in front
at
of
your
you.
side.
It is happening. They take oath that they will serve the society in spite of everything. But here everything else is taking a front seat and the medical services are taking a back seat.
Mr. Chamgotia is
No,
blaming. Would you?
I'll react to that.
Yeah,
too.
please.
I think when we are talking about the PGI or AIMS, that doesn't apply.
It
The
is happening. The,
no,
people are suffering before your eyes.
No, doctors, they are willing to serve.
Where are
They're
they?
willing to-
They are going on strikes each and every day for one or the
Doctors are
other
not
reason.
going on strike.
No, the supporting staff.
Are you
they
talking
also
about the
medical-
selective doctors or you're talking?
No, the medical staff which supports the
This
procedure
is-
of medicine.
See, this is not a medical staff. The doctors, the Hippocratic oath is
It's
for
for
the
doctors.
for the doctors.
Yes. Not
They-
doctors, but technical staff or the nurses, no.
See, they are taking so many decisions.
But
See,
aren't they under the control of the fraternity, medical fraternity? They should be under the control of the medical fraternity, these staff.
See, sometimes a situation comes where there is nobody can control. See, the situations like this nowadays in PGI. Let me be very frank. The system is collapsing.
It is a sorry state of affairs then. Matlab, even the senior person sitting here are saying there is no way out. They are feeling.
Dr. Singh, tell me, should it strictly be a referral hospital and OPDs should be stopped?
No,
Do
why
you think so?
OPD should be stopped? We have to see patients in OPD. See,
I mean, there is a lot of rush of patients in the hospital and handling them is a problem as of now.
see, rush is because the peripheral hospitals are not equipped. They are not doing their job. That is the problem. So let the peripheral hospitals do their job. Then there is no problem. Absolutely.
Do you think that the evening OPD is the answer
That is
with
not
more
the answer.
with more staff?
That is not the answer. We have experienced it. We applied this formula and it was utter failure.
Okay, why do you think it happened?
See, it happened, previous health minister came and then he forced the faculty.
Okay.
Nobody was prepared. See, our teaching suffers. If suppose we start the hospital at 8 o'clock or even 7 o'clock in the morning, some surgeons go at 7 o'clock. And then we are busy all through. Our teaching DM, MCH and MD and MS, that also is part of the system. So, if we are teaching and then you ask us to go in the afternoon, when should we go to the OPD, evening OPD? If you ask for the evening OPD, we go at 5 o'clock? Or we
doctors
go
are overworked, you mean to
Dr.
say?
Sharma.
Experience
Yeah.
this. I'll take this
Yeah,
up.
please.
You know, the objective of this institute, or for that reason All India Institute, was threefold. That to cater to the patients, we high care patient care, high quality patient care. The second was teaching. The third was the research. And the PGI was conceived as a tertiary care institute, as he has said.
Yeah.
That means routine diseases should not come to PGI. And we had taken up this matter with the Ministry of Health, Government of India, a number of times, that it should be treated purely as a referral institute, but the ministry doesn't agree. They said that you can't refuse a patient. Even things came to the extent that if a patient comes, even if you don't have a bed, you have to accommodate. And as he said of the evening OPD, that was a concept being forwarded by the then Health Minister Shatrughan Sinha.
So you mean to say that there's a lot of political interference which is
I'm
actually...
coming to that.
Yeah.
So somebody, gave him this, that, in Delhi, people come from offices and they don't get time during day to go to the hospitals. So
Right.
why not you run the evening OPDs? And this was just started on experimental basis, but miserably failed. Because as he said, we have certain defined duties: patient care, research and teaching. So if you run the OPDs in the morning, if you run the OPDs in the evening, then when would you do research? When would you do the teaching?
But failure in
Right.
what sense? Did the patients not come, or did the doctors did
No.
not attend, were not
The
available?
doctors protested, both AIIMS and PGI, and then it was called off.
Right. Mr. Chand Gotia, can you please rate PGI in terms of satisfying the consumer, all right, on the scale of 0 to 10?
2.
Why so?
Within the last 3 months, almost every fortnight we have been reading that such unit is closed, such unit is closed. Sometimes the machines are not
Have you
working.
been receiving complaints?
Yes, we have been receiving and
written?
we have been agitating those. That is why I am rating that accordingly. Sometimes the machines are not working, the tests are not being done, sometimes there are strikes, sometimes the doctors are not available. So many peripheral problems are there that the patient suffers.
Right.
So there is no satisfaction.
So,
See-
yeah, please.
See, the problems are there, agreed, but I don't think you are justified in rating as 2.
Yes, I would also
You gave a
disagree.
rating, sir.
That is such a low
You are
rating.
inside,
which-
you give
See,
a rating.
the rating cannot be uniform. See, you have to rate it
From the public point of view,
competency of the doctors.
I am rating it from the deliverance point of view. The
See,
public, what is it receiving?
See, whatever the public, the problem, we have problems.
Yes, yes.
See, if somebody goes to OPD, he will be taken care of till the whole lot of patients are seen by the consultant. They will be sitting there in the
A person goes in the OPD,